So many old things. What is in all these boxes? Let me look inside. This is Daddy's old toy. Achoo! So much dust in here. What is this? It looks very old. A map! It has an island and an X. X means treasure. Is this a treasure map?
Coco is here! Coco!
Coco! You scared me.
Oh! I know this map! I know this map! This is a treasure map.
A treasure map? Really?
Yes, the real treasure on Sunny Island. I was there a long time ago.
Is the treasure gold? Real gold?
Gold! Yes! Maybe gold. Or maybe, I forget what is inside.
You forget? Coco!
Jenny, what are you doing up here?
Daddy, look! A treasure map.
A treasure map? Let me see, let me see. Wow, this is a real treasure map.
Sunny Island! Go to Sunny Island!
A treasure hunt! I love treasure hunts!
Can we go, Daddy? Can we?
Yes, of course we go! We pack our bags, we find the treasure. Let's go! Let's go right now!
Wait, Daddy, wait!
Linda! Linda! We found a treasure map!
A treasure map, okay.
It's on Sunny Island. We need to go.
Okay, but first, let me pack some food.
Water.
Sandwiches, fruit.
Linda, we don't need food. We need adventure.
You always need food, Johnson.
Mommy is right.
Jenny, here is your bag. Water and snacks inside.
Thank you, Mommy.
Johnson, what is in your bag?
Just things. Important things.
Johnson, a pillow?
For the boat! What if it's bumpy?
No pillow, just food and water.
No pillow. Look here. The map shows 3 places. First, the beach. Then, the forest. The cave.
Beach, forest, cave. That is the way.
And at the end, the treasure.
How far is Sunny Island?
Not far. Maybe, I forget how far. But not far.
I am ready. Let's go.
I am also ready. I think
Ha ha ha! The hat is too big!
it fits perfectly.
Adventure time! Follow Coco! Follow Coco!
The treasure is waiting for us!
Let's go find it.
Are we almost there? Almost.
Almost!
I think. Maybe.
Coco, do you know the way?
Yes, mostly. I can hear the waves.
Slow down, Jenny. Wait for us.
Daddy, come and look. The sea is so big.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Daddy, what is wrong?
The sand! It is so hot!
Put your shoes back on, Johnson.
Hot sand! Hot sand! Ha ha!
Coco, stop laughing!
Here.
Thank you. The sand is very hot.
Look, someone is there.
A girl. She is building something.
It looks like a castle.
Go talk! Go talk!
Hi, I'm Sandy. Hi, Sandy. I'm Jenny. This is Daddy and Mommy and Coco. Is that a treasure map? Yes. How do you know? My grandpa told me about this treasure. He looked for it too a long time ago. Did he find it? No, he never found it. Can I come with you? I want to find it for him. Yes! Come with us!
The more the better. Welcome, Sandy.
New friend! New friend! Welcome!
I know this beach well. Where does the map say to go? We need a boat! Across the water to the island. A boat? I know where a boat is. Really? Show us.
Hello there. Looking for something?
Pete, we need your boat. We are going to Sunny Island.
Sunny Island? The treasure island?
Yes! The treasure!
I have not seen that map in many years.
Do you know about the treasure?
I know the island, but the treasure, nobody knows. Take the boat. Be careful. That is a very small boat.
It is fine. I row boats all the time.
You do? You are 6 years old.
I know, and I am very good.
Everyone sit still. Do not move suddenly.
Whoa!
Daddy, be careful.
I am fine. Totally fine.
Row like this. Smooth and steady.
Like this?
No, smoother. Like this.
Daddy, I am wet now.
To the left! No, the right! The island is,
Coco, which way?
straight ahead. Yes, straight.
That is what I was doing.
Oops.
Got it! Got it!
Jenny, don't lean.
Everyone sit down.
Coco, the map is wet now. Sorry. Coco is sorry. It is okay. We can still read it. Be careful next time, Coco. Look! The island! Sunny Island! We made it!
Land! Land! Coco sees land!
The island! Land. Beautiful land.
Johnson, stop kissing the ground.
The forest is next. Are we ready? Into the forest!
Second part of the map.
Okay, the forest is dark. Stay close together. It is very dark in there. Not fun. I am not scared.
Just asking, is there anything dangerous in there?
Follow me. I know how to walk in a forest. How do you know so much, Sandy? My grandpa taught me. He loved nature. He sounds nice.
What was that?
It is just a bird, Johnson.
Are you sure? It was very loud.
That is a parrot, like Coco. Hello, cousin.
Ah! Something touched me!
Daddy, it is just a leaf.
It was a very big leaf.
You are okay, Mr. Johnson. A stream! We cross on the rocks. Easy!
Nice.
Whoa! 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 I meant to do that.
Johnson swims now. Come on, brave explorer.
At least only 1 foot is wet, Daddy.
Do you hear that? Something is in the trees.
I hear it too.
Coco does not like this.
Something is watching us.
What? Hey, my bag! That monkey stole my food!
Give that back! That is my food! Wait! Coco will talk to him.
Coco can talk to monkeys? Coco can talk to everyone.
Brack! Squawk, squawk!
Squawk! The German they're drobsing! What are they saying?
The monkey wants a banana.
I packed bananas.
Of course you did.
Here, Coco, for the monkey.
Mommy always has everything.
Got it! Deal! Banana for the bag.
That was amazing! Thank you, Coco.
My sandwiches are safe.
You are welcome, Johnson.
Thank you, Coco. That was actually very impressive.
Coco knows everyone.
Everybody drink some water. We need to stay strong.
Thank you, Mrs. Linda. How much further, Coco? The cave is close.
I think. Maybe? The monkey squished my sandwich a little.
It still tastes the same.
You are right.
Daddy can eat anywhere, left or right. The map shows... The map is too wet. I can't read it. Don't worry, I know how to find the way.
How?
Look at the sun. It goes down in the west. The island cave is on the east side. We go right. You are so smart, Sandy.
Yes. I was also going to say that.
No, you were not.
I was thinking it.
Your dad is funny. Look! Is that the cave?
The cave! The cave! We are close!
That is it. The map is right.
Oh, it is very dark.
It looks scary. It looks exciting.
Both. It looks both. Together. We go in together.
I just want to say, I am not scared.
Daddy, you are shaking.
That is from the adventure shaking.
Adventure shaking. Okay. Daddy, are you scared?
A little.
Don't be scared, Daddy. We are together.
You are right. Together.
It is so dark. Coco, you are glowing.
Coco forgets about this. In dark places, Coco glows. Old magic.
Wow, it is beautiful. The walls are shining.
It is like stars inside the rock.
This is amazing. This way. Follow the glow.
Why are we whispering?
Because it's a cave, Daddy.
Oh, right. Sorry. My voice is very loud. My voice is very loud.
Yes, it is. What was that?
Oh, it is a little crab. A hermit crab. In a cave. Hello, little crab. He says hello back.
Coco knows crab language too.
Of course you do.
Can he help us? I think he wants us to follow him. Is he showing us the way?
Yes, he knows this cave. Follow the crab.
Now we follow a crab. This adventure has everything.
The chest! The treasure chest!
Coco remembers now. Yes!
We found it! We found it!
It is locked. Very locked. A big lock.
Very, very locked.
We need a key.
Where is the key?
I don't have it.
I don't have it.
Nobody has a key.
Coco, do you know where the key is? Coco?
Wait. Oh. The key was with Coco all the time.
That is the key? You were wearing it?
Coco forgot. Coco is very sorry.
Coco. The whole time.
Is this the right key? Please work.
Turn slowly, slowly.
Turn it, turn it!
It opened! It worked! It is not gold.
What is in there?
A photo. An old family photo. That man in the photo, that is my grandpa when he was young.
Yes, he put this here.
There is writing here. Read it, Jennie, please. The real treasure is friends and family. The people who love you and take care of you. No gold. We came all this way, and there is no gold.
Sandy, read the note again.
Sandy, today we found something.
What did we find?
We found each other. A new friend. That is the best treasure.
My grandpa was right. He always said friends are more important than gold. He was very smart. He was. I miss him.
That was beautiful.
Yes, it was.
And Charlie agrees.
Should we take the photo? No. Leave it here. This is where Grandpa put it. It belongs here. Okay, we leave it.
Time to go home. Adventure is done.
Not done. The adventure is in our hearts now.
Daddy, that was very poetic.
I have my moments.
Look at the sunset. It is so beautiful.
Best day ever.
For once, I agree.
Sandy, will you come visit us? Yes, and you can come visit me at the beach. Deal, deal.
New friends, best treasure.
Sandy, do you know how we found the map? No. Tell me, I want to know. I found it in our attic, inside an old box.
In your attic? Really?
And then, what happened next? We found the chest, but the key was with Coco the whole
Coco
time.
forgot.
Friends and family.
Equal with other people.
You are back. Did you find it?
We found the treasure.
And what was the treasure?
Friends and family.
Yes, that is the right answer. I found the same treasure once.
My grandpa found it too.
Good man, your grandpa. Best treasure hunt ever.
Even with the monkey?
Especially with the monkey.
Same time next week?
Hello, friends. Coco had a great adventure today. But Coco wants to know. And so you never miss the next adventure.